Hello and welcome to Isma Creations Painting Vlog 3. Today I'm gonna show you my sketchbooks. So I'm gonna show you the paper of this acrylic pad. So let's open it. So this is the paper and this is incredibly good. And the second one is sketchbook A5 brown. So this size is very nice, and this size is so good for me, so I can do both acrylic painting or sketching on this. But this is not so thick and this is just a plain paper, but yeah, I just like this size. So let's get started with the painting. So I'm gonna show you my rough brushes and I'm gonna soak these in the warm water. This is the warm water and I'm gonna soak this, and I soaked it about half an hour, and this one is also so rough, and you will see that when I will soak this. And here you see this is so nice and this is a bit soft now. So we are mixing yellow and red color, making an orange one. So as you can see, I have painted a circle with that and added more red and then made a dark orange color, and I am just painting in circular way. You can see that. So second one is this blue color that I have already here. So you can see this shade. I will mix this with a bit black color, and I will make a shade that I will use later on. Just mixing it well and adding some white color. So this is a very nice shade, but first I will fill this with blue color. I will fill the whole back area with this color. So I will use now the shade I have made before, that I show you before. So there I am painting with black color. This is just dark black color, and I'm painting the watchtower area. paint on the top of it with the same black color. So now I have added blue and yellow color and made a beautiful green. So this is light green, and then I will make a darker one also. So we will fill the below part. We will fill this part with the plants. So I have made the light colors that I showed you before, and now I'm just tapping with this light green shade. So as you can see now, I'm making some random dots with the yellow color. So I'm making the stars with this white color, just some little dots. So we have completed the painting. I hope that you like this video, and I will be uploading more videos on the coming Saturdays. So take care of yourselves and keep watching, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. So bye bye.